it's not quite sitting the way I want it on there. Alright, that's on there good. So that's going to follow the cam pretty well. That's it, we're going to put this little washer here. Put this back on. This little spring. There we have this special key. Let's go on top of that. Push on the spring. Try to get the key to somewhat line up here. Hold that in place so I can get the screwdriver. I'm just gonna shove that on there. Alright, so now the key's now in place. We got it locked onto this post. And we got just the last piece we got to post on here. Alright, so let's get this back on here. This is going to work. See, this goes back on here. This comes over here. The way this looks like it's supposed to. We got to put that back on. Oopsie. I'd be better to put you on first, right? That back, that back. So we're back here. We can put our first key back onto this post. Alright, got that one. Let's see. Before we put that other one back on there, we'll see if it, see if we can see what it does here. Don't seem to be functioning right here. Maybe the pieces underneath is supposed to move. I don't feel as though they're supposed to move. Okay, looks like we've got a little bit more work. Alright, I made it figure out the piece of the problem here. Let's see if I can get this on camera. Okay, so we're gonna zoom this in here. Get this close. Alright, I don't have a light I can show this with at all. This is not a normal light I got here. I'm gonna try to show this on camera, bear with me. Okay, so underneath this post right here, there's a washer that's sitting on the bottom here. It's supposed to ride on a little slot that's cut into the piece here that's bolted to the frame. There's apparently some grease underneath, and this thing was gummed up, and the grease kind of glued it in place. After I pushed it a little bit with a flat screwdriver, just kind of put a bit of force on there, managed to get it loose. So I'm gonna spray some grease. I'm gonna spray some degreaser down here, try to clean this crap off, and we'll put some fresh stuff down here. Maybe this thing will actually move better. Alright, now we got everything completely put back together, all lubed up and everything. We're going to go ahead and give this a whirl and see if we can get this thing to work. We're going to turn on the power button. And it got some cheap GPX speakers attached here. Let's see if there's anything here. We'll get some sound on the speaker, so that's something. Here's something from the needle, so that's good. That's also good. Let's check the we're gonna check the condition of the needle here. I'm gonna put this thing up. Get this little clip up and pull the needle off. This is one of those flip type needles. It's gonna be a bit of a pain to pop off here. Examine their gripability. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so one side of the needle is clearly broke, of course. I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on camera, so let's see if we can try doing this like this. Get it real close here. As you can possibly kind of notice that one side's kind of flat, which is supposed to be on the LP, what this thing says. So the only thing that's good is the 78 needle here, which I actually think they're actually backwards. But we're going to use the 78 side on this, since it seems to be in better condition. The other side is totally shot, so we're not going to use it whatsoever. There's just no tip. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to look this cartridge online and get this needle replaced. So we have a brand new needle. But let's give this a whirl here. Put this back into place. Put it back in. We have it set on 78 size. Turn that on. I'm going to crank this. Auto projection is still a little shaky on here. Might take a couple tries to get it set right. But we're going to set that to 45. I think it's good. Let's try that injection again here. Alright, that didn't look good. That looked more like it. Okay. So, we're going to go ahead and stop this. Alright. I'm not too sure if this is going to be any copyright, but we're not going to play too much of it. Hopefully it doesn't work. We're going to hand and put this record here. It looks like the introducers. This is part 1 of I'll Always Love My Mama. I never heard this single whatsoever, so some people might know this and others might not. Okay, we got a pretty balanced down in this. And let's give it a try. Treble, bass is right here.
Always love my mama, she's my favorite girl.
seem to be a bit dirty here. Okay, so I guess what it seems like we're going to have to do, we're going to have to get some contact cleaner. It's right inside the switch somehow anyway. If I get it in all of them. Maybe this thing might just function like it's supposed to. Maybe. But yeah, that's the end of this project. Real quick. This is the Soundesign turntable. Fully functional. Thanks for watching.